Today I'm going to show you how to insert legacy fields in Microsoft Word. So what we're going to do over here on your Microsoft Word, you must be in the desktop app. We're going to go up to the top, click on File, come down to Options, and make sure in Options you look for Custom Ribbon. On this right window over here, you should see Developer. If Developer is not here, make sure that you find it on the left side and click on Add, and then make sure that it is checked. Once you've done that, you can now go into Developer right here on your menu. At the top, you will have your controls. Now in controls, you're going to add in legacy fields by simply clicking on any one of these fields here and selecting where you would like to put it. So for example, I'm going to have my cursor right over here, and let's say we would like to add a data picker content control. Go ahead, literally click on it. You'll see it'll give you the option to add in the data. Here you can just click or tap to enter a date, and you can add your date in here. All right, now what else can we do here? Well, let's say that we would like to go down over here and we would like to add in something else. So go in here, you'll see additional legacy tools, and here let's say we would like to add in a checkbox. Right, so any one of these legacy fields you can double click on and you can actually find the extra options. So here you can see the size, the default value, and then you can run a macro on its entry or its exit. Okay. Then the field settings. We have a bookmark, it's called check 1, and then you can calculate it on exit, and then you can click on OK. You've now defined this element. You can do exactly the same with any one of these fields over here. Simply just click where you would like to add it in and go ahead and add it in there.